Hello everyone, I am Rohit. I, on behalf of Suravindo Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI. That is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for different lessons from our chapters. And in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 5 NCERT Board. Subject is Environmental Studies, and the name of the lesson is the Super Sciences. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as bird watching. The innovation behind using this idea is to inculcate bird watching with education so that we can use it as a medium for revising the concepts that have been taught in the lesson so that the students can easily relate the things to their day-to-day life. Some of the important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation are learning about senses of human beings and learning about senses of animals and birds. The duration for this activity will be 40 minutes. First of all, we inform the students that today we'll be learning about a lesson, a topic, with the help of an outdoor activity. We take the students outside and we ask all the students to look around them for different creatures and birds that they might see. Once they're done with it, we ask them few questions like, "Can you tell me the names?" Then they might respond, "We have seen ants, we have seen crows, we have seen cows, etc." Depending upon their observation. We then conclude that today the lesson which we are going to discuss about will do it with the help of bird watching. Then we divide the whole class into five groups and we allot them 15 minutes for the coming activity. We tell the students to make an observation of the different birds that they might see around each other, along with other creatures also, and note down a few observations like where are their ears placed, where are the ears placed, where are their eyes placed, are their ears hidden or it's outside, and what kind of sound they make. And the column could be like this. We ask them to prepare a table in their copy. In the first column, it will written name, suppose pigeon. In the second column, we will write creature, suppose it will be bird. In the third column, they will write eyes. For that, they will write two ears, two eyes on both sides. In the fourth column, they will write the sound. Its sound can be etc. The sound that they makes. And the last column, it will be here, and for the pigeon part they write hidden. In that way they will make observations for different things they might see. It can be also mosquito also, and we allowed them 15 minutes for this. Once they are done with this, we gather together and start asking them few questions like for one group we might ask that, okay, tell me, how did the uh, pigeons see, how do the pigeons see since if they have got two ears, two eyes on both sides. We take the response and then we tell them that the pigeons can see two things at the same time and that's why they've got two eyes on both sides. And we ask them that how does mosquito locate human beings. Then we inform the students that the mosquitoes have got a different sense capabilities through which they can sense, they can get the smell of human beings and they can locate that way. Similarly, we start discussing about the different animals and different birds that they've observed and what are the observations they have made. We discuss on them and making the students understand that every animal and every birds have got different senses which they use for either finding the food or either finding the prey or for protecting themselves from dangers. Then we conclude the activity and we move inside the classroom. Next, we focus on giving the students about the senses of human beings. We then ask the students, how are you feeling now? Are you feeling different kind of sensation in your body? If it's a summer day, they might say that we are feeling hot or we're feeling hot. So what difference do you see? They might respond that we see sweat in our hands. Then we ask them that, can you smell that sweat? Do you get the smell of the sweat? They might say yes. Then we ask that, what are the other things that you get smell out of? They might respond excreta and bad things, etc., sweat, etc. Along with this, we also add another point. This we do to develop a sense of gratitude towards the mothers. We tell them that mothers are the only ones who used to love clean, who does not hesitate to clean your excreta, but we should try to be hygiene and clean our excreta on our own. Along with this, we just add this at this point along with the chapter so that they can develop a sense of gratitude towards their mother. Then we again continue with the discussion. We ask them, okay, tell me, so how did you see the birds? We went outside, you see the birds, how did you see them? They might say that with our eyes. Then how did you hear the sounds they make? They might say with our ears. So this will be conclude the students that these, just like the animals, we human beings also have got different senses which you use for different to feel different things, to see different things, to hear different things, to taste different things. And there are different five senses we have. And so this way we conclude the class giving the students an overview and understanding of the different senses of animals and birds. And when you start teaching the students in this way, we get a lot of learning outcomes. First of all, when the students will be working in a group, it will help in the development of interpersonal skills. And when they will be observing the animals and noting down the observations in a notebook, it will help in the development of decision making skills and observation skills. Along with this, they will also learn how to note down in how to write, may make tables and note down things. Along with this, they will also learn how to respond to simple instructions that have been made in English. Apart from this, we'll be getting a lot of learning outcomes when you start implementing this in your own schools. For this innovation, that's all. And if you like this video and you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI. Thank you.